Hey, good morning, friends. It's your teacher, Miss Amari. Hope you guys are doing good. Alrighty, today we're going to do a little art activity. If you guys can see my art activity, we're going to make something like it. Alrighty, parents. So you can assist your child. First, you can pick any color paper you want. So I'm just going to use blue for my example. So we're going to make a flower petal, something like this. You can assist your child with cutting it out, or you can do it for them. Alrighty, and you're going to end up with petals, whichever color you choose. Alrighty, then you can use whichever background. You can cut strips. You can assist your child with this. You can draw lines so they can know where to cut. Alrighty, we're either going to use strips or you can use straws, whichever one. So, but in this instance, I'm going to use a straw. So, I'm just going to position my scissors to wherever I want to cut, and I'm just going to snip. Alrighty, so now I have 3 stems. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, 3. Alrighty, so either you can take some tape or you can just use some glue, whichever one you have on hand. I'm going to use tape because I have this right on hand. So here's my piece of tape. Alright, I'm going to take my stem and my petal, put them together. And here's my flower. You can make as many as you want. Then you can use a color piece of paper for a background and glue them on there. Maybe put some paint on there. Maybe use crayons to color them, whichever one. You can make it decorative. And then this is your Happy Mother's Day gift to your mommy. Hope you guys enjoy the project. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.